Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas Brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas Brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. This week's Atlas Brew had a bittersweet start, kicking off with both a heartfelt farewell and a monumental introduction, all while giving the community the deepest technical look yet into the impending C4 public test realm. First, the emotional news. The Atlas Brew team said goodbye to our dear brother Santi. While he is stepping away from day-to-day operations to pursue his own entrepreneurial dream, fans need not fret completely. Santi will remain connected to Star Atlas as an advisor, ensuring the community spirit he helped build persists. But the metaverse waits for no one, and the show must go on. Filling that key technical gap is our new permanent co-host, Jim Carter, Star Atlas's visual GC and web director. Jim is officially the community's direct bridge to the development team, promising to share insights, collect feedback, and explain the complex journey of building the Star Atlas metaverse. And Jim did not hold back. The main event was a deep dive into the C4 public test realm, PTR. This isn't just a test release, it's a full public test realm designed primarily for stress testing, finding exploits, and ensuring the economic loops and the fun factor hold up against thousands of concurrent players. The goal is to launch the PTR with all 4 of C4's core pillars available from day one: combat, crafting, claim stakes, and council rank character progression. Jim revealed that the development team is currently testing all 4 systems integrated and working smoothly in their internal environment, built entirely on their custom Star Atlas virtual machine, the Zinc network. This move to their own chain will be game-changing, reducing transaction fees and making Star Atlas truly accessible, meaning even a player with a single airbike can enjoy the gameplay loops and generate value. The deep dive continued as Jim tackled the complex technical foundation, explaining that C4 has taken time because the team had to essentially rebuild the engine. They moved away from older frameworks like Anchor to build Starframe, a revolutionary custom framework necessary to support the complex state and composability required for a massive, living game economy. This innovation was so impressive, in fact, that Solana Labs even poached Starframe's lead developer. Furthermore, the team has successfully optimized Starcom version 3, the system responsible for handling massive fleet data, to avoid the frustrating lag issues that plagued earlier releases. This new version is already powering the Zinc network successfully and will include an integrated RPC toggle, ensuring players can keep playing even if there are unexpected bumps in the road. Jim also addressed the huge successes of Holo Sim, confirming that the fun, non-economic features are being roadmapped for C4 integration. This includes elements like the popular faction chat for coordination, potential PvE additions, and a system for earning ZXP Zinc experience points, rewards through C4 quests, boosting engagement outside of immediate financial returns. Finally, while no dates were leaked, Santi may be gone, but the threat of a scolding remains. Jim confirmed the team is fully focused on finalizing the front-end user interface, which uses a more performant technology stack called Solid.js, but will retain the familiar Sage Labs look, and optimizing Starcom to handle the huge fleet volume that C4 will require. The community excitement was palpable, with tons of specific technical questions flooding the chat. We got a special shout-out to community members and legends like K-Tier, RS, and Tangle. That's a wrap for this week's momentous Atlas Brew. We're thrilled to have Jim on board, and if you liked this technical deep dive, join us next week when the Atlas Brew will be focusing squarely on the future of the Zinc network. In the meantime, make sure you check out the Lore Keepers meeting tomorrow for more updates. Galia persists, Star Atlas thrives.